Okay, so the battery gave up and it died. This thing gives you no warning, I swear, sometimes. Anyway, we're going to give this thing some power and see what it does. Well, nothing yet. Let me check temperatures. Oh, feels good. I say we hook speakers to it. It's crazy. Because something would have happened, it would have popped about then. So, no crazy smoke, no craziness. So, I know I don't have the lights on this thing, but yeah, nothing. Feels good. So we'll get a pair of speakers here. Well, actually first, before we go too crazy, let's do the voltage test on the outputs. Okay, so this will be test on this here channel. And technically, we shouldn't have anything, or very little, voltage at all when we power it. Power's here. There we go. Nothing. In this channel. Oh boy. We got more wrong with that one still. Okay. So, I suspect we have a driver bad. Is what I'm going to suspect, if that one is still doing stupid. Or we got something wrong. It's probably one of these, I'm guessing. But, for giggles, we are going to hook a speaker to it. And see if it makes noise. It probably will. Probably work just fine. At least on this side it will. I'm just sticking these in here, testing purposes. I can get them to stay. Or not. Alright then. We'll do the negative on this side then. Since they don't want to stay. Let's see what kind of pop we get when it turns on. And so far, no crazy noise. Good. And I'm going to suspect the other side makes... Yep, that was pretty that. Okay. Well, we're going to dive into this a little deeper.